Kathy McConnell with Smarketing You for Smarketing Connect. And today we're going to talk about followers. So a lot of people ask me the question, how do I gain more followers on my Instagram account? I'm really struggling to get more. Now, I've started a new Instagram account for myself as well, and I too struggled with this in the beginning. The best way to do it is to use hashtags. Hashtags are the secret to finding people who have things that they like in common. So go find your ideal customer and then choose a hashtag in which you think they might follow. That way you'll see all the people that follow that hashtag. Then you can start following them yourself. The best thing to do is to get yourself following as many people as you possibly can each day. So Instagram allows you to follow up to 100 people a day. They don't want you to be too spammy, so you got to be careful. And as soon as you follow them, generally people will follow back. And then you've got to start engaging with them. Instagram is notorious for being a place for people leaving emojis as a comment because it's quick and easy. That's a great way to get people going. Then on Facebook, what's the best way to find followers? I always recommend people go to groups. So what group is your potential core customer in? What likes and dislikes do they share? What do they have in common? A lot of groups to start off with are those mompreneur groups, or Boss Moms is another great group. This is a wide range of groups of women who are very active on Facebook. And the whole purpose of the group is to find people who have common likes and dislikes. So go and find a group that your core customer might be interested in. That's it for today. Thanks so much for listening, and I'll see you next time.